ever typed a Linux command and thought, man, I wish I could automate this? That's what shell scripting is. It's like teaching a computer to do things for you without you standing there like a wizard casting spells manually. Today, we are going from zero to a scripting hero in ZSH. Even if you're a bash user, this video is quite helpful for you because everything written to this video, every command used actually works on both shells. Alright, first things first, let's create a shell script. Think of it like a to-do list for your terminal. Open your terminal and type the following. That opens a new file called hello.sh in a simple editor called Nano. Now inside the file, type in the following. Let's break this down. The first line tells Linux, hey, run this file using the ZSH shell. If you're using bash, replace the word ZSH with the word bash. Now the second line part is us creating a variable. It's like naming a thing, and then we are echoing a message using that name. Now press Ctrl O, then enter to save, and Ctrl X to quit the Nano editor. After that, we are going to tell the system this file is allowed to be run as a program, and by doing so we are going to write mod +x hello.sh, okay? And after that, you have already granted permission. We are going to write /hello.sh, and this will run the file. And as you can see, the output is wake up Neo. Boom, that's our first script. But now let's make it interactive. Let's make our script ask for something like a number. Now reopen the same script by writing nano hello.sh. Add this after the previous lines. This read on screen right now is like saying, hey, pause and wait for the user to type something, and the that part is just like a friendly prompt. Save and run again using ./hello.sh. The output will be wake up Neo, enter number, you enter number, and it will tell you your number that you entered. Part 4. The if or the else decisions in scripts. Let's teach our script how to think. If the number is greater than 10, it says one thing. If not, it says another thing. Now go ahead, reopen the same script and type in the following lines. This is your first logic gate. If. This one checks something, and the -GT means greater than. Don't worry, you will memorize this stuff faster than you think. Now go ahead, run this script again and test this with numbers like 8 and 20, because 8 is less than 10 and 20 is greater than 10, or any numbers that are less or greater than 10. Now let us learn a little bit about loops. It is like doing things repeatedly. Let's count down from 5 just for fun, okay? Now go ahead into your same script and type in the following line of code. So here's what's actually happening. We set I to 5. While I is still more than 0, we print it, then subtract 1. When we hit 0, the loop ends and we echo blast off. Save the thing, run it, and you will see the output. That's actually your first automation loop. Imagine using this to rename files, back things up, check internet status. The possibilities are wide open. Now let's clean things up with functions. Functions let you package logic like little toolboxes. Go ahead, reopen your script and add the following lines. Now, you can reuse that great function anywhere in your script, and the $1 just means first input to the function. What if your script fails? Don't let it crash without a message. Type in the following at the top of your script, and the set-e says that stop the script if anything fails. The trap that catches the failure and prints a friendly message so you may know what's actually wrong and you can fix it. Let's build a real example, a script that backs up your files. Go ahead and create a new script, call it maybe backup.sh, okay? So you do nano backup.sh and add the following lines of code. This script actually grabs your documents folder, creates a timestamped backup folder, and copies everything there. Make it executable and run it using the commands on screen. Maybe I'll put it there. Do you want it to run every day at midnight? Let's automate it. Go ahead and type in cron tab-e, then add the following line of code. That line says run this every day at 0 o'clock, or you can call it midnight. Change the time if you want to. You just learned how to script in ZSH or in Bash if you're using Bash shell actually, from variables, input, conditionals, loops, functions, error handling to automation. That's huge success. You now have the power to automate your own world. Here's my advice to all those who are starting scripting. I know it may be hard during the first time, but start small, script things you do daily, make mistakes, Google stuff, and that is how every Linux pro started. You just gave your terminal a brain, you told it what to do and it listened. From here on out, you are not just using Linux, you are commanding it. Scripts don't sleep, scripts don't forget, scripts don't miss deadlines. They do not spill coffee or ask for a raise. They just work because you build them. This is more than automation, this is freedom, and this is just the beginning. Till the next video, cheers.